Money's federally insured. It'll go back into the bank and back into the community. You got 90 seconds. Time it and be ready to blast the fuck out of here, all right?
Hands up! Get off the truck! On your fucking knees! On your knees! Down! Down! Oh, shit. Stop right there! Drop the fucking bags! Get down. Okay, let's go!
Here's the money. All $3 million. And it's only Thursday.
Take it inside. We would have made great partners.
And one thing you guys never seem to remember.
Why?
Harlem, it's mine.